In this presentation using your announcer voice, Christopher Joyce, right now. What are you bringing us?
This is the Wagner 505.
What is your announcer voice?
Oh. This is Wagner 505e Plus Handheld Steamer with 11 accessories.
Accessories, not bad. We'll call you. Call your agent. Good to have you here, man. Hey, this is steam cleaning, man.
Yeah.
I love that brand. I love the brand, the Wagner paint sprayers. They know what they're doing with great tools. And this has to be one of your most high-end steamers ever, right?
It is, and what I love is handheld, it's lightweight, it's easy to use. You can take it from the car, you can take it
Great
outside
product.
from the kitchen to the bathroom. But we also, for the first time with a handheld, we give you the floor attachment so you can clean your floors with steam as well.
Think about it. So you can get a handheld steamer for this price.
Correct.
You can get a floor steamer for a couple $100.
Right.
This is both for 4 easy payments of $17.50. And it's not just steam. It's Wagner steam.
It is. So I'm going to start with, we give you this little extension hose. It gives you an extra foot of reach. And then I've attached the squeegee attachment. But what I want to show you, this is what Wagner's known for. Look at this steam. Unlike a lot of steam cleaners, it's really showing the power.
Let's go.
And to show you the power, look at this, how it just melts away all the mess that is on this shower door. This can be your glass shower walls. This is showing you the power of steam. Think of this. Steam is created with boiling water. So it's basically hotter than boiling water, taking care of all the messes. And in this case, the soap scum, the mineral deposits, it is literally melting that away quickly, easily, efficiently. And here's the really neat thing. I'm just taking the steam away so you can see it. You're not using chemicals. Look at the before versus the after. And you didn't have to use chemicals, just using the power of steam to deep clean.
Night and day. So, before you go further, you're getting that steamer in handheld mode.
Yes.
You're getting a bazillion different attachments.
A bazillion, 11 to be exact, but that's that little extra hose that gives you that extra reach.
What's up here?
You're getting 2 nylon bristles.
And this guy.
A brass bristle I'm going to show you on a grill grate when we go outside.
Bristle.
Yes.
The best way to clean a grill ever.
A nice little angled nozzle, which is really going to get into those detailed areas, including underneath the toilet bowl.
Another directional nozzle.
And that's the directional nozzle that you attach all these to.
Okay.
This is the squeegee attachment that I just used. It just works so well. We give you an attachment also that allows you to use it as a steamer for your clothes, your fabrics, your upholstery.
This is a floor steamer, handheld steamer, and a fabric steamer.
And
that's incredible.
And this is what makes it the floor steamer. You get 2 extensions, you get the floor attachment, and then you also get the pad with it.
Okay.
And we're going to go and do that as well.
Demo City, where you want to go?
Okay, my friends. So here we have an oven door, and let me tell you, when I said I baked cake this on, this is worse. I would probably move if my oven looked like this. But the point is, again, look at the amount of steam. Here's the deal. With Wagner, we call it steam on demand. So as soon as you touch that trigger, you're not having to wait to get that steam. I know. Are you all right?
I'm good.
All right. Watch this. It is going to melt away, we call it emulsification, emulsifying the mess that is on this oven door.
You're not pressing at all.
Not at all. And here's the neat thing. You're not having to use that big yellow can with the gas mask, tell everyone to leave the room. But look what it did. It simply melted away that disgusting mess, and you didn't have to use a caustic chemical. You didn't have to open the window. Look at, and your
just
job
using
is done.
steam.
Just using steam. No chemicals.
Hot water couldn't do that. Sprays wouldn't do that.
Correct.
Right, you just melted it all down. And
That's it.
How long does it take to get to that temperature?
All right, because it's a boiler that's built inside. Unlike a lot of steam cleaners, it takes approximately 9 minutes to get there. But then once it is in full boil mode, you are going to be using this on demand as much as you want for as long as you want.
Okay, great.
All right,
so
now,
once you do, because what do you got in there, a half gallon or a couple quarts
of
water?
So we give you a measuring cup. You're putting 250 milliliters in the top here, right here. You just take this off. I can't take this off now because it's up to pressure. It's actually a boiler. But you unscrew this. We give you a funnel. We give you the cup. Put 250 milliliters of water. And then within 9 minutes, it is fully a boiler. And that's creating that steam on demand. So watch this. Even something like this with the extension poles that we're giving you, look how almost instantly we're getting steam on demand.
That's crazy good.
Isn't that crazy good? Let's see, I'll put it closer to my black shirt. You can see it almost instantly steaming. And that is showing you the power of the Wagner. And now I'm able to take it and take care of just about all my floors, including, take a look at this, we're taking care of a tile floor. So imagine you use this on your tile floor. Imagine you use it on your laminates, your hardwoods. Look at the difference. No
By the
problem.
Way, if it's a sealed floor, not a problem. It's not going to get it too moist.
Has to be sealed. But you know what? Almost any hardwood floor that we have today, except for old pine floors that are not sealed, otherwise you're going to be good to go. That'll be the only thing that you couldn't use it on.
How many ordered since we made this available, by the way? The 505, 3,100, 1,800 remaining. That floor steamer you could buy by itself. A clothing steamer you could easily pay $150 for.
Easy.
And this handheld steamer is incredibly powerful.
So
I've never seen a more powerful handheld steamer.
Exactly. This is the power jet nozzle. Of course, I'm not going to put my hand in the way of that. But we're showing you, literally, you can see my thumb. It's truly steam on demand.
What are you going to steam this?
I'm going to steam this. This is a shower door track. This is the jet nozzle. See all the gunk that's in here?
Teach me that.
All you do, put it in there on demand. Nope. Hold it down. Just push forward. There you go.
There I got it.
There you go.
Am I good?
You're good. And just push it along. Take care of the gunk, the mold, the mildew.
Look at that.
Look at that. You're like a professional.
Oh my heavens, that's incredible.
That's the neat thing about Wagner products. They make you the professional. They make your life so much easier.
I've never seen anything like that.
Because you're able to do a deep clean just using the power of steam.
All the grout in the bathroom.
Exactly.
All that gunk is just gone. No scrubbing whatsoever. That's incredibly powerful.
And then it's going to wipe it clean. You can do it on tile too. Yeah. You know what? For the tile, wait, stop. I'm going to put an attachment. Look how easy it is to put an attachment.
Oh, that's what you're going to do.
There we go. Now you have a bristle brush. Take care of the soap scum that's on that tile.
Whoa! Guys, pick this up. Bring this home.
Look at that. Breaking that down.
Try it in one room for 30 days. Bring it home. If it doesn't blow you away, then send it back.
So this could be the metal deposits, the soap scum you saw on the glass shower door. No problem.
Soap scum is the villain.
It really is.
This is the hero.
So watch this.
Hero time.
Every bit of that is gone. And we did not use a chemically based cleaner.
Great.
That is the power of steam. We took care of the shower track, which you typically wouldn't even know how to clean. The steam cleaner does a great job of doing that.
It does indeed. Hey, the Wagner Hero, the 505e. Only here at QVC can you pick it up at this price. Sale price, normally $89. But for what it does, what it replaces. Hey, I'm talking like steamer to steamer. Like, look at what you're not buying. Look at what you're not doing. Like, you want to hire somebody to do that kind of stuff. You can now let the Wagner do all the work. Great product.
Exactly. Now we're going to switch to the brass bristle brush, which does a fantastic job on grill grates. So watch this. When you open up your grill in the spring, you're like, that is a real mess. But no match for the Wagner. Look at this. It's going to break down the mess that is on there, the burned on mess. We're going to bring this back to the natural stainless steel that it was.
Hang on a second.
Yes, sir.
Like if it was really, like you're going really fast for the time. But if it's really bad, you let it sit on there for a second.
Absolutely.
In one spot.
And then I'm going to wipe it clean, and you're really going to see not only underneath, which is showing you all the stuff that melted away, but watch this. Now you're really going to see what it does.
Night and day.
It brought back that stainless steel.
Now you want to put a steak on there again.
Exactly. Look at that. Look at the difference.
$17.50. It's V85396. V85396. To bring home, you're getting all the attachment that we're seeing. So this is indoors, outdoors. This is car. This is grill. This is clothing steamer.
Yeah.
This is also sanitizing. It's steam. Right?
Exactly. It's hotter than boiling water. It's creating that steam. So think of a doggy bed that you couldn't put in the washing machine. Think of the upholstery. Think of this car seats. Think of the high chairs. Now you're going to be able to take care of all these things all around the house, inside, outside, even in the car.
With free shipping and handling, we're going to wrap this up right now. Stay on the line. Great product. Great demo.
Thank you, my friend. Appreciate it.
We've got another look at today's special value, by the way. A little encore look at it in 1 minute. Loving your home event. Continue. Stay tuned.